There's one segment of the construction industry that we've never discussed on the track: snow equipment. But for a lot of construction companies, landscape professionals, and others who run equipment fleets, snow is a big part of their business. RDO snow expert Nick Arndt is here to talk all things snow. Nick, thanks for joining me today.
Nice to be here.
We are in Minnesota in the summertime, beautiful sunshine,
Yep.
and we're going to talk about snow equipment.
Of course. Snow removal is a little different. As opposed to contractors that are working based off of jobs, if they don't have the equipment in line, sometimes that's a really big deal on a job. Snow isn't a job. Snow is an emergency. It is an event. They use the word snow event, ice event. If you are not ready when that snow event happens, there's no, well, we'll wait to clean it up until tomorrow. We'll wait and clean it up until next week. It's like a fire. You got to take care of the snow right away. So the further ahead you can plan, the better you'll be able to take care of the customers and take care of the general public. It's really a safety issue.
If I'm doing landscape work in the summer, I'm doing
Yep.
snow removal in the winter,
Yes,
what
sir.
kind of equipment am I looking for? What's that really look like?
It's a large range of equipment, and RDO offers it all. We're talking small tractors for sidewalk operations, all the way up to large wheel loaders for large commercial removals.
So a wheel loader like this you could use to move snow.
Absolutely. This is a 244. It's actually a super popular model. Deere has made a lot of strides in the last few years. Their newest iteration is fast ground speed. That is really important from job to job. And an operator might be in that cab for 12 to 14 hours for a long snow event with multiple snow drops. So the comfort of the cab and the niceness of the cab really makes a difference.
Okay, so a guy that lives in North Texas, the snow, what we do when it snows is we stay home. We just don't get out.
Yep.
Okay, but you get out and you're doing stuff. So explain to me what equipment you would use besides the loader to
Yep.
move that snow.
So it's a matter of safety. So I like to equate it to firefighting a little bit. When it snows, when there's ice on the ground, all life has to keep going. Stores need to stay open, businesses need to stay open, sidewalks need to be available. So you might use something really narrow piece of equipment to do a sidewalk to keep that clean, and you might use up to a 544 wheel loader to push a big commercial retail store. But what's nice with the compact equipment is it'll fit in a lot of variety of situations. So a small store, a big store, very maneuverable. It works really well for removing snow from any commercial situation.
So if you plan on moving snow this winter, you need to start planning right now.
You need to start planning right now. We're selling the snow equipment already. If it snows from October to April, you're never more than 6 months away from snow. We're only getting closer to day one of snow, and you got to be ready.
Even though snow doesn't fall year-round, snow equipment is a year-round thought for companies that provide snow removal services. If you're interested in seeing more, follow Nick on Instagram. He posts a lot of great photos and videos and is always looking to answer questions and make connections. I'm Dennis, this is The Track. Thanks for watching. Follow me on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel.